bakit nagmamadali ay sapagkat hindi ka na mahal. If I am always in a hurry with you, it could be because love is gone. Love and hurrying up are incompatible sapagkat ang isang taong nagmamahal ay marunong maghintay kahit habang panahon. If we are always in a hurry, if we are always rushing, could it be because we do not believe in God anymore? Atheism is not the denial of God. Atheism is simply impatience with God. We are impatient with God because we want God to intervene and solve our frustrations and heal all sick people. We want God to solve all our problems, to solve all our hunger. We want God to rush. And when God does not answer us according to our time, we say, hindi totoong Diyos yan. Meron akong sariling Diyos. My dear brothers and sisters, if we can create a God who will answer everything that you ask for, that is not God. You have become God because you are commanding God and telling God what to do. When God does not always answer us, and when God allows us to live in our helplessness, in our frustrations, in our disappointments, ang ginagawa lamang ng Diyos ay tinuturo sa iyo ang tamang panahon. Walk in God's time, and growth will continue. Because people who have forgotten how to wait, magiging unano, di na tayo lalaki. Are you still in a hurry? Because you're suffering too much? Put love into your suffering. Ask God for the grace of patience even with Him. Patience with Him.
Hindi ako magbabago, kasama mo maging